Let's also get you the very first response that has come in from the SP chief Akhilesh Yadav, who's welcomed the verdict, and he says no one will now lose their homes.
आपको सबको पता होगा कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या टिप्पणी की है और इस सरकार का जो बुलडोजर प्रतीक बन गया था उसके खिलाफ जो टिप्पणी की है, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला आया है सरकार के खिलाफ, उसका धन्यवाद देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं। ऐसे कम फैसले होते हैं जहां पर सरकार को जुर्माना देना पड़ता है। क्या कोई सोच सकता है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सरकार पर 25 लाख का जुर्माना लगाया है? जो घर तोड़ना जानते हैं उनसे क्या उम्मीद करोगे आप? जो घर तोड़ने में सेकंड न लेते हो उनसे क्या उम्मीद करते हो? कम से कम आज के बाद उनका बुलडोजर हमेशा हमेशा के लिए खड़ा हो जाएगा गैराज में। अब किसी गरीब का घर नहीं टूटेगा।
All right, so Akhilesh clearly will want to milk and capitalize, Adeep, this entire situation, more so because it gives him more ammunition ahead of the upcoming by-polls.
Well, definitely, Deepti, and for Samajwadi Party, it's a great ammunition that they'll be using against BJP. They'll be training all their guns at BJP with the verdict that Supreme Court has delivered. Akhilesh Yadav, while he was addressing a public gathering in Kanpur, said now the bulldozers of BJP, they will stand still in a parking. Supreme Court has now stopped these bulldozers, and we can't expect anything from the government that it doesn't take any second before demolishing houses of the people. So this is how Samajwadi Party and their chief Akhilesh Yadav has responded to the verdict of Supreme Court. Meanwhile, we have BJP and its allies who are welcoming the verdict, and they are saying that it's a slap on the face of the opposition, those who are criticizing the government, because Supreme Court has not stopped the use of bulldozers, and we have been using bulldozers by following all the proper norms and regulations. So this is what is taking place in Uttar Pradesh. BJP is accepting the verdict. They are saying yes, we have been doing it correctly, and on the other hand we have Samajwadi Party and the India Bloc who are saying that it's a Supreme Court has shown the mirror to the BJP that their bulldozers will stand still in a parking, Deepti.
Yes, and when you say that, Adeep, it's also important to keep this in mind that this is just not about the state of Uttar Pradesh. The court clearly, and Harish would second us on that the court hasn't mentioned any particular state, but the court has been very clear that these are guidelines that need to be followed across the country. So let's talk a little bit more of what the BJP has said so far before I get in both Harish and Adeep back into the conversation. Now, the BJP has countered the Congress while welcoming the Apex Court's judgment. This is what BJP's Dushyant Gautam has to say.
Wherever action has been taken, it has been done following the due process of the law. And even in the coming days, wherever this bulldozer will be used, it will be done strictly following the due procedure of the law. We are a party that firmly believes in the rule of law and the principles of the Constitution.
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो आदेश दिया है उसका पालन सरकारें हमेशा करती भी हैं, और किसी की भी कोई ऑथोराइज बिल्डिंग को सरकारें नहीं गिराती है। अपने नियम और कानून है सरकार के भी, वह नगर निगम में कानून है, उसके तहत में अनऑथराइज बिल्डिंग है, उसको नक्शा पास नहीं है और फुल इंक्रोचमेंट है, तो उसको गिराया जाना कोई अपराध नहीं है। ये सरकार का अधिकार, और सरकार समय समय पर ये सब करती रहती है। जिसका मकान गिरा अपराधी है नहीं अपराधी है ये विषय नहीं है। विषय ये है कि अनऑथराइज है, और सरकार ने और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो संज्ञान दिया उसको भी लिया जाता है। ये नहीं नोटिस नहीं दिया था, सब नोटिस वगैरह दिए जाते हैं।
So that is the BJP saying that everything has been done as per the law. Only for want of time, I'm thanking both Harish and Adeep for joining us with more